you haven't lost it, Drago. Yeah, this is great. Apollo and I used to hang out like this. Good workout. See, I'm done. Yeah, don't have too much rust on the old armor, huh? I've got a pretty good punch, huh? Watch out for the left. I'm not like a psychologist or anything, but I suspect you might have some kind of personality complexion. You might want to get checked out.
Oh no. I'm good. I'm good. I'm on the right meds. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
All I'm saying is, you fight pretty good for a zebra.
Zebras have horizontal stripes. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, yeah, oh, yeah.
Freeze frame.